right, so now we're starting to look at variables. Okay, so we graduate to looking at variables always, and then we're going to have numbers mixed with variables and so on. Okay, so we have a square root of x cubed. So square root, there's the index of 2 here. Again, you're looking at dividing. You want to divide this index by that, all right? So 3 is not divisible by 2. So you want to rewrite it, right, as x squared times x to the 1, right? These combined makes x to the 3. So notice what I'm doing is I'm pulling off the highest possible power that I can pull off from here that's divided by 2. Okay, or that's divisible by 2. And then you have like a remainder, something left over. Alright, so we can do square root of x squared and then square root of x. Square root of x squared is x with an absolute value, and then we have a square root of x left there. Okay? All right, let's look at b. So cube root of x to the 4. All right, so we want 4 doesn't divide exactly by 3, so it's not a perfect cube. So we want to rewrite this as something, split up the x's to 2 exponents, so something that divides by 3, and then any leftover. Okay, so this is like cube root. I can write 4 as 3 plus 1, so x to the 3 times x to the 1. This divides by 3, and this is left over. Okay, so we have cube root of x to the 3, cube root of x to the 1. These divide, and I get x to the 1, cube root of x. Okay, no absolute values because that's an odd power, odd index. All right, let's look at c. 4th root of x to the 7. All right, so 7 doesn't divide by 4 exactly. You want to separate this into something that divides exactly by 4, anything left over. It's kind of like doing the division. It's like 7 divided by 4. It goes in 1 time, and there's a remainder of 3. Right? So we have like x to the 4 times x to the 3. So these add up to 7, and the 4 divides by 4, so this will be able to be simplified, but this is left over inside the radical. Alright, so we have 4th root of x to the 4 times 4th root of x to the 3. This is x to the 1 with the absolute value, and this is 4th root of x to the 3. Like this. Alright, that's it for this example.